The Applicator Training Program provides to all levels of contractors an opportunity to not only learn about the systems and the product, but to understand what environment it needs to be chosen to put into. What's going to provide the best longevity for performance. Sherwin-Williams wants to take them into a new level where they can feel more confidence in the applications, to be innovative, to learn from each other, and a better understanding of what the flooring world has to offer.
Sherwin-Williams is getting bigger, their catalog's growing. Having an overview of these product lines and what's available is just a huge heads up.
This training has definitely opened my eyes out on so many products that are out there, and it helps us to make better decisions and just to go to a one-stop shop, and definitely that's Sherwin.
We're updating their skills. You're always learning. Things change.
It's fun.
Everybody's just helping each other out how to grow.
We never finish learning, we always learn something new.
This course is very relaxed. Everybody seems to be excited.
And you get to network with other people and see how other people install the products too.
We're there to provide a lot more than benefits than just a classroom type environment and a study. We want to carry it way beyond that. We want a relationship, we want a partnership, we want that contractor to be successful.
We're a painting company that's just now trying to get into the flooring market.
And now we're starting something new, so we need guidance.
We got to learn the process from start to finish. We've been with Sherwin-Williams for over 50 years. Throughout that, they have always stood behind us. If we have a problem, they're always there to back it and help us through it.
I would absolutely recommend this training. It's one of the better ones I've been to. There's a lot of hands-on stuff that you don't see sometimes in other trainings, and that's incredibly helpful.
Yeah, it's a really good experience.